In this tutorial, I'll demonstrate how to redirect website visitors based on their location using the IP2Location Redirection plugin in WordPress. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, add New Plugin and search for IP2Location Redirection. Click Install now and then activate. Click on Set up your database. You'll be guided by a setup wizard next. Click on Get Started. You can choose either IP2Location bin database or IP2Location.io IP geolocation API. In this tutorial, we will use the database for our demonstration. You will need a download token to download the database. If you do not have an account, sign up for a free one here. Let's go to your IP2Location Lite account and copy the token. Paste the token here. Click on Next. Your IP2Location bin database has been successfully downloaded. Click on Next and Finish. Next, configure your redirection rules. Ensure Enable Redirection is checked. Let me show you how to redirect visitors from the United States who land on your homepage to google.com. Add the United States to the location field. Then, choose the homepage for the From field. Enter the destination URL. You can choose 301 Permanently Redirect or 302 Temporary Redirect. You can add multiple redirection rules if needed. In addition, you can also exclude specific IP addresses from redirection here. Once done, click on Save Changes. Now it's time to test if our redirection rule is working. I'm visiting my homepage from the United States and it is redirecting me to google.com. It works perfectly and that's it. With IP2Location Redirection plugin, you can easily customize user experiences based on geolocation. Try it now for free. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe for more IP geolocation tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.